We're really pleased with the performances in terms of our preparations for the Euro qualifiers in January. Big learning experience. Obviously we're very hopeful of 2 victories, so we were bitterly disappointed yesterday with the defeat, a narrow defeat, 5-3. We'd taken the lead. This environment, this international game is ruthless and really the finest margins, the smallest mistakes, you get punished. So and we set ourselves a challenge over the last 3 games to try and have 3 strong performances in preparation for our group in January. A win, a draw and a loss is really good progress for this team. The group have really united in terms of team spirit, so they were all heroic in terms of their performance, their bravery. I think in terms of goal scoring, a couple of players have stood out over this weekend, really taking their chances, and so Rico, our pivot, who is very dynamic and a power of strength, and his powerful shots were superb. But also we'd have to probably mention Chris Hugh, who in 14 games hadn't scored previously and been very close in a number of occasions, but to score a hat-trick last night and again get on the score sheet tonight was a tremendous effort. We have to try and raise the awareness and the understanding of the game here in Wales. It's new to our culture. It's something we want to encourage for young players for enjoyment and keep playing the game of football, indoors. This version of the game is very good for technical development for players that feel like 11-a-side football is not for them. Girls and boys at young ages can play it, and then in the seniors they can come and play indoors, and there's a pathway into Europe and the international environment, representing a country. So the crowd were fantastic. We want to make sure we put on a good performance for our home crowd. So we were delighted to see a good turnout, and we'll be keen to see them back and put on a good show next time.